actually posted last night, but it was, should I go to the gym this morning or sleep in? And you guys all voted that I sleep in, so that's what I did. It is currently 10:33 in the morning, so I'm just getting up for the day. And I already posted my second poll. It was, should I cook food or should I eat cereal? And all of you guys voted for me to eat cereal, so that's what we're about to do. So I have these little cereal cup things that I got a couple days ago at Giant, and I'm gonna eat the Honey Nut Cheerios one. So I just posted my next poll. It's about my hair, if you guys want it curly or straight. Low-key hoping that you guys pick straight because I don't feel like taking out my hair. It's just some braids for a twist out, but I don't feel like taking it out. Hopefully you guys see straight so I can just, you know, slap a wig on. Don't nobody judge me. Slap a wig on because it's kind of gloomy outside and I don't feel like taking my hair down and then it gets all frizzy and stuff. So we're gonna wait 10 minutes and see if you guys pick straight. If you pick straight, thanks. So I just finished my makeup. I did this glam full beat for you guys. I did a bold shadow, a neutral lip, got some highlight going on, all for you guys. I was hoping you guys would choose the natural look because that's what I was really wanting to do, but y'all chose glam full beat. It won by I think 75%. So that's what I did. This is what it's looking like. And yeah, I really like it. So now next is my hair. You guys all voted for it to be curly. I just decided to throw a wig on and I'm just gonna curl the wig because I'm just gonna curl my hair really quick and I'm gonna post the next poll. Also, you guys voted that I wear outfit 2, which is this orange tank top and some skinny jeans with rips in the knees. So that's what I'm gonna wear, and then I'm gonna post what shoes I should wear next. Alright, so I'm done curling my hair. I just brushed out the curls a bunch because I didn't want it to be super curly. So now it's kind of curly, kind of wavy. But yeah, about to go see what shoes you guys chose. So I just did my next poll. It's for lunch. I decided I chose between salmon and chicken. So let's see which one you guys voted. Actually, no, I did a chicken and rice or salmon wrap. I hope you guys do chicken and rice because I already have that prepared. The salmon, I just have to cook the salmon. So fingers crossed. Okay, so you guys actually voted for me to have a salmon wrap for lunch, but instead I did end up eating chicken and rice simply because it was already prepared and I didn't have time to make the salmon because I am currently in the process of filming another video. I'm filming a clothing haul. You guys will see it up soon, probably next week. I did want to quickly finish getting this video done, edited and uploaded, ready to go for my next uploading day. So yeah, but I think I'm gonna eat the salmon wrap for dinner just so it's not like I entirely cheated you guys out. So yeah. Alright, so my next poll is up. It is, what should I do? Should I edit my YouTube video or should I watch YouTube videos? Honestly, I'm probably gonna do both. So it's gonna be like a you know what I'm saying? I feel like some of these polls are pretty boring. Sorry if this video was kind of boring throughout the day because I didn't really have much to do today, so I didn't post a super ton of polls, but I'm gonna be doing another one of these videos, so it will be much much more interesting. So you guys all voted for me to watch YouTube. Don't mind my face looking really shiny. I did a wear test, or I'm still doing a wear test on the new ColourPop No Filter foundation, but you guys all voted that I watch YouTube, and I've been watching YouTube and editing my video. Actually, I'm multitasking because I really want to get this ColourPop video up tonight. I don't know if that's gonna happen. It's 8:51 right now. I'm probably just gonna do it as an early morning upload, if that. But yeah, I have been watching YouTube. Let me show you guys. I'll turn my camera on. I've been watching YouTube and editing my video simultaneously because, you know, you guys should definitely check out my channel. These are just some of the people I'm subscribed to. I love watching. Yeah, here's my channel. You guys definitely go like, comment, and subscribe on my videos. We're almost at 800 subscribers, so hopefully I can get there by Sunday. Fingers crossed. But y'all, check out my new videos. You guys voted that I eat noodles for dinner, so that's what I'm getting ready to do. I was hoping you guys would choose the salmon wrap because I did want to go with a more healthier option, but you guys are controlling my life. And did you guys hear that? I said you guys are controlling my life, and yeah, so let's go get our noodles.